We are sorry to interrupt this program in this Spectrum Network channel. At this time, we are bringing you a message from the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for the following counties in South Africa: Queenstown, Grahamstown, East London, Beaufort West, George, Kimberley, and Richards Bay, until 10:38 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m., the tornado will go to speed at 338 mph. By 8:45 p.m., Queenstown. By 8:50 p.m., Grahamstown. By 8:55 p.m., Port Elizabeth. By 9 p.m., East London. By 9:05 p.m., Beaufort West. By 9:10 p.m., George. By 9:15 p.m., Kimberley. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a reinforced area. If no shelter is available, seek shelter in the nearest ditch and cover your head.